Hey everyone, yesterday I was at the meetup hosted by EcoMotion for blockchain and mobility technologies. Today I'll be following up on some of those contacts that we made and seeing if we can't get some really great partnerships to get off the ground. See you next time.
Hey there, Davers, Alec here. We had EcoMotion. It was really good event. I'm really happy that we attended. Tal delivered an excellent speech. I've been having meetings with different marketing companies for a specific task that we're going to start in a few weeks. I'm just getting inputs from them. I'm getting ready for a very interesting call later this week with an interesting parking solution company based out of the United States to see how it can collaborate with DAV. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with preparing and sending some materials to John, and then I took camera and took the slider and shot the new DailyDAV opener. And then I transferred the materials and reviewed them, and it looks great. Right now I'm gonna start editing the DailyDAV, and that's it for now. So see you next time. Bye.
Hi guys. In this sunny day, I start my work at Visual. Today I'll continue make banners. Also I'll correct design on YouTube pages. I will make them more attractive and friendly. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. Yesterday the main focus of the day was focusing on the content calendar, focusing on the content cadence, overall communication. We had a meeting with John and Rachel which went really well. And today the main focus has been focusing on some things for regulatory purposes, so doing a lot of work on that end as well. Thanks everybody, have a great day.